Okay, so what I want to talk to you about tonight is plans and materials lists and stuff like that. I've quite a lot of you messaged me. Some people have actually rang me up as well, inquiring about materials and how you work out how much you need for this, that and the other. What I used to do, maybe about 2 years ago, I think it was, I used to sell them on eBay. So what you'd do is you buy plans off me. Basically, you'd message me and you'd tell me your size. I'd send you a floor plan back. I'd give you 2 approvals on it. You'd either approve on your first or your second one, alter it for the second one if you didn't approve your first one, and once you approve that, then I would then send you back a full materials list, a full list of where you can get the materials from, and a full step-by-step guide. Really, there was 32 pages to it. There was countless drawings that I'd done every single step of the way, fully itemised list of materials and fully step-by-step instructions on how to build garden rooms. I used to sell them on eBay, and then somebody grasped me up to eBay and said that we're actually selling something that didn't exist. I don't know how to work that out because everybody got the plans through the post. Anyway, so that stopped. I carried on doing garden rooms. So you guys from YouTube, you're just amazing. It's gone really busy, purely I'd say because of you. You obviously like garden rooms, obviously. You're more than interested in every step of the way. I'm quite happy to tell you how I build them, show you how I build them. It's not a secret, it's just what I do day in, day out. What's and all, I'll tell you the mistakes we make sometimes and how we recover from them and how we learn from them as well. So what I'm offering, because I know a lot of you are trying to put stuff together to build your own garden rooms, I'm offering you the same service I used to do on eBay, actually. I don't know, I used to sell them for £80 on eBay, which I didn't think was too bad. You get a full materials list. It'd probably save you more than £80 in wasted materials, to tell you the truth. And I will literally give you down to the last box of screws, the last length of timber, everything you need for your build. Obviously, I make these day in, day out. I can price them just like that now. I know exactly what goes into them, and I can offer that to you as well. So if you're interested in maybe saving yourself some money, or you want to build one of these yourself and you like the way I build them and you want to follow it, but you're having to keep going back to YouTube to look, or I can actually send you out the instruction booklet, like a kit really, I suppose. You'll get all the materials, where we buy them from. You don't have to buy them from there, obviously, but I'll tell you where we buy them, right down to the actual code number for the products, like the screws and stuff like that. I get a lot of stuff from Toolstation. Well, I used to before COVID anyway. You have to get it online now and travel around 3 or 4 tool stations to get this stuff, but I'm sure it'll all come to an end at some point and we'll all be back to normal and normal service will resume. So if you're interested in getting maybe an instruction packlet, and a plan drawing, a full schedule of stuff you need, step-by-step instructions, like I said, there's 32 pages, loads of drawings, loads of guides on how to do it, this, that and the other. Very much like what I do on YouTube. If I get enough interest, what I'll do is I'll alter the pack, because obviously we've modified a few things and we've gone on, because this was a few years ago. So I'll modify the pack, redo it all, and then maybe we can start sending them out and you can build your own garden rooms. Let me know if you're interested anyway. Obviously I need to make it a little bit worth my while to do it, but like I say, for £80 it will probably save you more than that in wasted materials that you don't actually need. So just, let us know, and that'd be great. Thanks for your likes, your subscriptions, and everything else, your amazing comments, and just the fact I'm blown out of the water by the fact you actually like to watch me work and like the way I do things anyway. Okay, take care, and I will see you tomorrow. We are cladding in cedar tomorrow, which I know a lot of you are wanting to see, so I'll do a proper full detailed video of that. Obviously it's time consuming, it's not something that we can rush too much anyway, so there'll be probably a good old maybe 20-minute video for that. Okay, see you tomorrow, bye.